What is going on, my SafeMoon astronauts? It is your Captain RJ coming in with another SafeMoon update. In today's video, we are going to go ahead and cover some pricing. We'll cover a couple Reddit posts, and we will cover a couple Twitter posts as well. Before we do get started, if you guys haven't already, please consider hitting that like button down below. It truly helps with the almighty YouTube algorithm. Also, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload new content. Also, follow me in my other social media platforms here. It is just at RJ Ardanas. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Tuesday so far. We do have some stuff to go over here, so without further ado, let's dive right on in to the flight deck. Welcome to the flight deck, everyone. So let's go ahead and go over today's pricing. Our global crypto market is down 0.42%. That puts Bitcoin down 2.21%, Ethereum down 1.11%, Binance down 1.44%, Cardano down 0.44%, XRP up 0.38%, and Dogecoin down 0.74%. That puts SafeMoon today up 11.67%, landing us in the 294 area. We have done $21 million worth in the last 24 hours, putting us up 87.50%. Heading on over to the Reddit community, a couple logistical things to go over. SafeMoon has moved number 84 on CoinGecko in terms of market cap. So as we have a lot of enthusiasm and confidence back into SafeMoon right now, we are moving up in terms of ranking. Solid breakout of the downward channel on the daily. That flat blue line is our next major resistance level, almost there. Let's go, boys and girls. So let's go ahead and take a look at this really quickly here. So as you guys already know, I'm a day trader, so I really like looking at technical analysis. So if we take a look here on SafeMoon, we are hovering between the 2.9 and this major blue resistance that this person had drawn out. Now, things to keep in mind is the 3.0 is still a major psychological resistance point when you go to break whole numbers like that. You know, in day trading, when you go to break half dollars and whole dollars, those are major psychological resistance levels. And so if we can push through that 3.0 area, looks like we will be consolidating. Expect to see consolidation between the 3.0 and the 3.2 area, or we can just punch right through it and to the moon we go. But as of right now, there are two major resistance levels ahead of us. We have the psychological resistance of the 3.0, the whole number of the 3.0, and the 3.286 level here drawn for us here. Just to put things in perspective, being the absolute strongest army in the space, the SafeMoon army has been fighting through a much more aggressive accumulation period than Binance's. By the looks of it, we're ready to take off. SafeMoon Exchange, hold. And if we take a look here, you know, I've told you guys this is pretty much going through the crypto J curve when you have your phase one, which is the initial hype, and then the consolidation period where the devs are really developing the utility and what we can do with this blockchain and this crypto. And then you have your phase three, which pretty much just takes off to the moon. So if we watch this video, here was Binance's phase one, and that's where we are on SafeMoon, right? If you overlay it or if you overlap it, this is exactly what I've been telling you guys. It's just a matter of time, and we don't know how much time we need, but we are on the phase two period, and looks like we are just possibly, you know, being realistic, we are possibly entering the phase three, which as the developers start to launch these products for us, you know, the wallets which have come out for Android and iOS, and then obviously, you know, V2, the exchange, Project Phoenix, Gambia, blockchain, we have the podcast, we have wind turbines. I mean, there's just so much in the pipeline right now that I'm just so freaking bullish on SafeMoon. There's just so much down the pipeline that I just think it is on an absolute sale, even to this day. And so just hang on, hold on. I know we've fought through some dark times, but just keep holding. CEO John Coroni did tweet this yesterday. He said turbines have arrived, SafeMoon Army, and looks like we will be doing a video on them. So looks like keep an eye out on these videos for the wind turbines, because I just don't know how the heck they look, and I'm just intrigued to see how these wind turbines look like in a video. SafeMoon is going to make a lot of people a lot of money. People don't realize how much we are burning with the volume we are at right now. Imagine when the exchange comes and the blockchains and things like the turbines to help the burn. We will surpass 1 billion daily volume easily. We will fly through our supply, and it's going to happen quicker than people think. And this is one of those arguments that people like to throw out when I did that controversial "Can SafeMoon hit $25?" Video when I was debunking the market cap. And of course, what did I get in the comment section after I debunked the market cap? People saying, yeah, maybe in 30 to 40 years, 30 to 50 years. And again, if I have to do another video debunking that, I will gladly do so. But when people say that it'll take much longer than it is right now, what they are doing is they are taking our average volume today, to this date. People aren't taking into consideration the projects ahead down the pipeline that is all supposed to contribute to SafeMoon's burn, such as the windmills, such as the exchange, such as the blockchain. Once we have the blockchain, now that means other projects can build on top of our blockchains, and therefore we'll get a cut of that, and I'm sure people will start to burn more in there. You know, we have the SafeMoon swap that does burn already. So we have so many things down the pipeline that's just going to contribute to SafeMoon's ecosystem and the burn. People need to take a step back and not look at the number of our volume right now. You have to take the future potential volume. Heading on over to Twitter. So obviously, as your content creator, I have to do my part and telling you to head over to the AIBC Europe Summit, either on Twitter or their webpage. The link will be in the description down below. But we are nominated for 4 categories, so make sure you guys head on over here and do your part and make sure you vote, because this will be amazing for SafeMoon in terms of visibility and extending our reach. And last but not least, the SafeMoon Hound, our boy Ryan over here, tweeting 2 major things. Since our CEO announced the new swap options, let me add icing. SafeMoon's multi-chain swap has made it possible to swap between tokens. We push boundaries, we may even push some buttons, but baby, we never stop pushing. And so if you guys saw the video I did, I believe it was yesterday or 2 days ago, you are now allowed to swap between tokens. So if you want SafeMoon to Shiba or Shiba to AAVE, again, this is all right now in the Ethereum blockchain, but this is possible now, and this will continue to grow as time progresses. And then last but not least, his other tweet, which was 9 hours ago, he said, it's almost as if the confidence in SafeMoon's ability to push real products is back. Hate to be a broken record, but we're just getting started. And so SafeMoon Hound did take a picture of this parabolic move from the 2-2 area, and now again we are touching and testing that new whole number of the 3-0. If we can break through that, the next resistance again is the 3-2. But as we said, you know, the confidence and the enthusiasm is back, not only in SafeMoon but in the crypto as well. So I hope you guys really did enjoy that video. You know, a couple things. So our price is obviously amazing. There's a lot of confidence and a lot of enthusiasm in the crypto market right now, and with SafeMoon. So obviously the price is reflecting that, which is amazing. You know, just like that article said, SafeMoon has been through some dark times. And of course, that's when all the FUDders were coming out of nowhere. We were fighting them left and right every single time they came up with something new. Even to this day, even in all this excitement and all this confidence, you still get them every so often in the comments section, like keyboard warriors they are. But as of right now, looks like SafeMoon is, according to that technical analysis, SafeMoon does have a psychological resistance at the 3-0 mark at the time of this recording. Now there is another resistance level above that at the 3-2. As we continue to monitor pricing, it might pop the 3-0 resistance area and might trade a little bit in between the 3-0 and the 3-2, consolidating a little bit, and we might see some more upward momentum there. So let's just keep our eyes peeled for price movement, but as of right now, the price looks amazing. And then of course, you know, as your content creator, it is my responsibility to make sure you guys are heading over to the AIBC Summit website. The link will be in the description below. Make sure you guys do your part and cast your votes, because we are nominated for 4 categories. So make sure you go in there, make sure you cast your votes. It takes less than a minute, and this will be amazing for SafeMoon because it further extends our visibility and it further extends our reach. So that's going to be amazing, and obviously the more investors, the more eyes looking inside to SafeMoon, the more the potential we have for large money to come in there and really start pushing this price upwards. So with that being said, if you guys really did enjoy this video, if you found yourselves learning something new, or you found yourselves just a little bit more fired up or enthusiastic about SafeMoon, please smashy that like button down below. It truly helps with the almighty YouTube algorithm. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload new content. Also, follow me on my other social media platforms here. It is just at RJ Ardanas. I hope everyone has a wonderful Tuesday. If you guys have any other questions, just please post them in the comments section below. Life is too short, so eat some delicious food, drink some delicious drinks, do some good in the world, spread some positive vibes, and I'm gonna see everyone on the next SafeMoon video next time.